Workout by Wilson. It's pretty tough. Alright, so this is a tutorial I wanted to have on how to do a headstand. As you guys can tell, starting out, I just have my head down. I try to find a flat surface on the mat and on my head, make sure it's flat. I interlace my fingers, and then put my palms underneath, or put my palms by my neck. Not really my neck, actually the back of my head. And you also saw the first time I fell, it took me like about 5 tries, I would say. But that's kind of what happens when you're first beginning. I would say it took me a month to kind of be able to do it, actually hold it, which is kind of long, but yeah. So the other thing I do is when I have my head down on a flat, find my flat part of my head, I start bringing my knees up, crawling up, or bringing my feet up. I place my feet on the ground and then crawl them up. You'll see that again. Yep, crawl your feet up. Once you kind of feel like a steady position, you put one foot up, you put the other foot up. When you can hold it, then you put your legs up one by one as well. You also got to know how to fall. I think once you learn how to fall, it's pretty easy to learn, because a lot of people's fear is falling. So once you learn how to fall, everything else just falls into place. So I think this is the try I actually get it at, or the try right after. But I kind of move positions because, again, it's important to find a flat position. I think that's one of the most important things. If you can find a flat position, you'll kind of be good. But I'll share with you guys the tutorial I use. I used a YouTube tutorial. It was a channel called Blessed Yoga, so I'll share it in the description. But this is the try I'm getting right here.
Good job,
Okay. I don't think
and that is how it's done.
Oh my god. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button.